This is my 5th voicemail. I'm not gonna stop calling because we gotta do this together, bro. They gonna kill me. Come on. You can't let them niggas kill me. You can't. Niggas. Where you at? I see you in the blinds, man. You just put the blinds down. So you gonna let me go by myself? All right. Okay. I got it.
Plus, come in, I want to talk to you.
Man, who is you? How you know my name?
You said Joumou?
Who wants to know? What you asking all these questions for?
Come in, my friend. I just want to talk to you. There's no problem right here.
Talk.
How is the sub Joumou game?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Plus, you know everything I'm talking about. I'm going to ask you again. How is the sub Joumou game?
Not what it used to be. But it's alright, still making money.
You make money like you make before, Plus?
You're still getting money, man. It's none of your business.
Okay, Plus, relax. I just want to talk to you. I have a proposition. The sub Joumou is not make money like before. But I have something to make you make money again.
Man, what's that?
Come in. Try it.
What
Come, my
is
friend. This is cocoa. Take it. Take it, man. It's for you to try. It's free.
And what you want me to do with it?
I want you to try. You come back. You tell me. You tell me what you think about it. Take it.
Where you come from, man? You just in the alley?
Mr. Plus, don't worry about it. When I want to find you, I find you. Today I find you. I want you to try. Put your finger on it. Yeah. Delicious.
And you say you gonna find me?
That's what I told you.
Alright. Mr. Coco. Damn sucker.
Coco, baby.
I'm getting tired of doing this stuff, man. Oh. Fuck, man. Nobody in here, you know what I'm saying? This is my last night doing this stuff for Bertha, man. There ain't nobody even coming through here. Security crap, man. I don't even pay me nothing.
Damn, that was easy. A clothing store. That's the cover up. Bet I sell clothes. Okay. That makes sense. Where the Joumou at,
I'm getting tired of this, man. And she want me to wear pink drawers? I'm not doing that, man. It's 2 men. We got 3. Oh, they got 3 mannequins now. What up? Oh, that's one ugly mannequin, man. None of my business. Let me get up out of here.
Yo, mama. Oh, that's Joumou. Hey, wait, come on, Bertha. Wait! You gotta wait, Bertha. Let me talk to you first. Hey.
What's my security?
What security? There's no security. Listen, first of all, how are you? Huh?
Yeah, Mama.
Whoa! I don't want no problem.
What problem you there? Security!
Hey, come on. I got something for you.
That's something for me.
Big Jou is leaving the Soup Joumou gang because the gang drying up.
Drying up?
It's drying up. It's not good anymore. It's not making any more money. Wait. It's not making no more money. Okay? So he's trying to sell this new stuff.
New stuff?
Coco. Chocolate.
Coco?
It's the new thing on the street.
No, Tim. I need Joumou. That's where the money's at.
Just try a little bit of it. That's all. Try a little bit.
Say a little bit.
You eat it with pencil.
Security!
Come on, man. Just try it. Son.
That problem, you killed me.
It's a lot of money, man. It's the future. Huh?
Coco for Coco.
You see?
Okay. I like this Coco.
Yeah, see?
Make Coco for Coco Pops.
Yeah.
Maybe you get me like 40 kilos. You bring that back to me, I'll give you like 12%.
Just let me out. You can have whatever you want.
You don't play around with me, eh?
I would never play around with you.
Don't do that.
You better. Come on. You the ball.
Maybe you get a gun.
Hey, go out! Hey, come on! Please! I gave you some cocoa. I wouldn't lie to you. There it is right
I like this. Okay.
now. So I'm gonna leave.
Go do what you need to do.
And I'll see you later.
I don't give a damn. I love it. I love the Coco.
Just come in and they back to get because they
you want me to?
Just, okay, wait. Put your okay. Come in.
Okay.
But okay, don't scratch the shit. Okay, that's okay. Go get him for me.
Okay.
Where did you find her? Where did you find her? Kotojuni.
I'm back on him, man.
Fuck!
From him, huh?
No, I was never.
So where you going?
I'll be here.
No, we've been calling your phone. Where you been at?
Outside.
You got a lot of explaining to you've been to Bijou.
I can't talk.
What's up, Big Jou? You in all white, looking nice. Hey, man, how are you?
Don't speak to me.
Where is my money?
Your money. it's hard for me to understand because you got so much money, Big Jou, right? Your money long, you got boats and you got cars, you feel me? So I gotta know which money you talking about.
The money that you steal from me. The money you tell me say better robbing from you, but you take it yourself. I need my money.
Okay, here's what's crazy.
I give you 24 hours to get it. Your time up.
Okay, so what
I'm
happened?
going to cut you and put you in this bag.
Wait, no! Okay, wait, ma'am, wait, okay. I'll tell you where it is. I know where it is. Listen, we went to Betha's warehouse. She stole Success. She stole the money. She told me she was gonna kill me.
Wait. Where's this one?
She took him. He said she gonna make Joumou out of him. She gonna put him in the Joumou.
Okay.
She tried to kill me.
Okay, but give me a chance to take him. She take my workers, she take my money. Let me tell you something. If I find out you lying to me,
No!
she's going to cut your dick and put it in the spaghetti.
I need my dick, Big Jou. It's not big, but it's all I got. I need it. Please don't cut.
You're going to call Seveta. You're going to set up a meeting. I'm going to be there.
I don't know if that's
Get
great.
him out.
I don't know if that's a great idea, Big
Get him
Jou.
out.
Because she could be. Ow, man!
Set the meeting.
So strong. Ah!
1 hour.
1 hour.
Take me to the restaurant. I'm going to buy some bouillon. You push to get.
Ma pensé lui.
No.
Non, bah elle.
No. Just
Non.
wait.
Mettez-le.
Wait. Okay.
Toi.
No. If you.
Regardez. Bah
Oh,
elle.
no.
Allez.
Okay. Wait. Relax yourself. Hey, shit. Allez.
Fuck! We here! Okay? We here! Good. We right here. Okay? I think I was gonna text me the whole way. She right inside. She right inside. Look, you go to the door. They're gonna lift it up. She's gonna be right there. Look, can I leave? I don't want to be here with this.
Get in there.
Okay. All right, I'll give it a call.
Hey, Bertha? Look like we got a couple people out here. I don't know if that much people should be here right now, but that's none of my business, though. I'm about to go anyway. All right.
Bitch!
Better, bitch.
So we meet again, Big Jou. You know who's the #1 Joumou dealer in the streets? Better, bitch.
I don't care for that.
It's Coco, baby. Coco!
Jou, Tata, Mr. Coco, baby.